CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 25th of June 2025. President Donald Trump said that Iran and Israel, the countries are in talks for days and the war will end soon. Iran launched missile attacks on Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar, targeting U.S. military presence in response to U.S. attacks on Iranian nuclear facilities. Richard Engel said that Qatari and U.S. officials did not confirm any casualties and most of the missiles were intercepted. Christians face persecution and human rights violations. Pastor Zamani said that Ethiopia is one of the deadliest places for Christians, mainly by Islamic extremist groups such as Boko Haram, the radicalization of Fulani herdsmen. The recent attack killed at least 21 people. Kidnappings are also rampant, often for ransom to fund these groups. Extremists in Bangladesh are targeting Christian property, especially homes. Conflict between Hindus and Christians has displaced 10,000 people. Hindus brutally attack a Christian gathering. The government has imposed many restrictions on Christians in China, says Ming Tsai. The government is changing the word, churches and religious leaders are closely monitored, donations are being outlawed, and secret churches are being severely punished. In North Korea, Robert Germain's Christian faith was discovered by an undercover government reporter, leading to immediate execution or deportation to labor camps, leading to his family being investigated. Pastor George said that Christians in Mozambique are facing violence and displacement, targeted killings and illegal crossfire. The authorities are against Christians and support their attackers. Muhindo said the Allied Democratic Forces militant group targets Christians in Congo, leading to mass displacement. The Allied Democratic Forces has attacked mining areas, killing many Christians. Eritrea continues to be harshly treated by its authoritarian government. Gideon said that he was imprisoned, endured terrible conditions, physical abuse, sexual violence, and torture in Eritrean prisons because of his Christian faith. In Pakistan, Elizabeth Adnan was kidnapped from Vihari by a Muslim man, Baba Mukhtar, then forcibly converted to Islam and forced into marriage. Adnan Masih, Elizabeth's father, said that the police were not cooperating with them in recovering the girl. Father Jonathan said that the massacre of Christians in Nigeria could not be stopped. In Christian-majority areas, Fulani herdsmen attack and kill people, take valuables and other things, and rape women. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.